Hey everyone, my name is Ayel. Okay. I hope that you guys had an awesome week and an awesome weekend. Okay, so today I have another hair. Okay, I have another hair tutorial, and this time, we're gonna make it easy. And we're gonna get right into it, by the way. About this, I don't know if I got the website. I'm just gonna link the website and put the picture. Y'all know how we do here with like pictures over here. All right, so I'm just gonna put it here as well as a surprise. All right, so that's why I got it, and that's the price. So let's try. I'm gonna take it right out the box. Shipping time, oh my god, I'm gonna put all the stats probably in the description. I don't have my notes today, so it's gonna be a little bit all over the place. Shipping time, it took it got here on time. I have the color number 2, and let us get right into it. I'm just like ripping it apart. Smell wise, it smells like a synthetic hair. It's synthetic, so please put your expectations on the floor somewhere. Okay. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so we're just going to remove the hair net. Okay, so we're going to remove this in there. This is just like, the white little thing. You don't need that. You don't want that. I don't want that. And these are what they typically like use to like the edges. So this is what the inside looks like. We have a comb here, comb here. We don't need that. Comb here. And we only have just this middle parting space. Yikes. And I know what you're saying, Danielle, summer's around the corner. I don't need a big unit. That's on you. That's not for me. That's for you. And I don't have nails on, by the way, because I don't like to do hair stuff with nails, because I feel like, I don't know, I feel like my nails will snap on because I use press on. So, I feel like a lot of times it's just about to snap. I'm just removing. I don't need that. So this is what we have so far.
Okay, lashes. If you see those, like, if my lashes look lopsided, I don't care. Okay. Yeah. I tried.
So this is what we have. It's a really nice, like, voluminous unit. And yeah, what I'm going to do right now is cut the lace. This is what the lace looks like. I have my pair of scissors like right on my lap here. It's like a little pair of scissors, and Lord help me. See, this is why I really didn't need nails, because nails was just gonna complicate it. So I'm just gonna get to cutting. Let me just make it so that you guys can see what I'm doing. Probably should have taped it before, but I didn't. I didn't. Okay. So that's it. We're just cutting the lace, and you know what? It doesn't have to be like perfect. You don't see what I'm doing. Okay, there you go. You see what I'm doing. Now you see it. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect. You see? Yes, you do. It doesn't have to be perfect. We can always correct it at some point. It's okay. Should I put it closer? Okay, you want it closer? You want it closer? You want it in your face? Ooh.
Oh my Lord, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to get nasty. Ah.
Can you see? You can see what I'm doing. Yes, you can. Okay. Because I have to pay attention to what I'm doing, and also I want to give you a good visual. And this is what we have. And so what I'm going to do, let me just cut this little like extra piece that's hanging around here. What I'm going to do is just like cut the camera off for a second. Go pull her on. I'm gonna go pull her on and then I'll be right back. You guys, volume. Me Danielle, mean volume. I don't know if you guys can tell, but like I really, really love voluminous. Mama, my mom is sitting right there. She's visiting, so she's gets, you know, to see a little bit of what I do with my free time. Anyways, you guys, this is what it looks like. You know, side, back. Okay. Let me get closer so that you guys can take a look at, you know, the parting space. And you know what? I'm gonna plug it and everything, but I'm gonna do all of that off camera. Partially because do I have my plugging device? No, I don't have anything to plug with. I'm not gonna do that here. It's not that deep. I'm just gonna put some concealer. Right now, I'm just like fluffing. Okay, you know what looks really cray-cray? My eyebrows one. And I need to do something about this too. I don't know where all my stuff is, but I have concealer and eyeshadow like little thingy. Oh, okay, it looks crazy. Okay, let's adjust. Okay. Take it down a notch. You guys, I really, really do love like big hair because I have a big face. Like I have a wide face. So I really love nice, big, voluminous. Okay. Is everything at the forefront? Because I need everyone to gather. Okay. I keep telling myself to not get excited as I get too excited. Okay. Fun, in case you need to know which one I'm using. It's not gonna do it. You're not gonna do it. Okay, that's fine. The camera does not want us to focus, which is fine. It's all good. I need you to.
Okay. You need to stay where you at. I don't need you to migrate to my eyeball.
I've never done it this way, by the way, so we're gonna see if this is a good idea or not, okay? Okay. Okay, it's a bad idea. Well, not really. It's not really a bad idea. And I know what you're thinking, but then, yo, you didn't wash it. You didn't wash it before wearing it. Mind your business. I'm gonna wash it afterwards. I'm gonna wash it afterwards. Mind your business. Mind the business. That issue, please. Thank you. And this is so difficult, by the way. Like, typically, You know what? Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I just went to kind of just like fluff it offline a little bit. And then, of course, I had to...
Really? Where's the hating nails? Oh, I'll be right back.
It be your own nails sometimes. Anyways. This is what I get from wanting to flaunt nails. Anyways, it's just like press-on that I did. I do all my press-ons. I do all of them. Anyways, so these are just like pink and orange, but they're very light, so I don't know if you guys can see it. But anyway, so back to the hair, right? You guys, I really love it. It's full, it's voluminous. The only thing I can say is that like parting wise, I'm not giving option, but I can always like tilt it to the side. I'm not gonna do that right now because I have the combs like in my hair and I don't feel like fighting with my nails. I mean, one just fell off just because. And so I don't wanna like, I don't wanna just like push my nails like and just, you know, move the part. But anyways, you get it. You got it. Okay. So yeah, you guys. do I have glasses that goes with this? I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, you guys. So I do have glasses, but they're clear, and I just remember, like right now I'm facing like the window, and you know it's going to reflect on my glasses, so I'm not gonna wear them because you know it's stalkers out here in these streets. So we're not gonna do glasses today. But I don't know if you can tell, but I really love the hair. Like I said, the only thing that I don't like is like the parting space is limited, because otherwise oh my god, I would have been able to do so much damage. It does have baby hair, but I just didn't, again, I don't feel like doing baby hair, so I just didn't. That's it. So let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if I didn't answer anything. And thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye. Okay, bye.